In Okinawa, there is a soup that helps people live much longer, and almost no one outside Japan has ever heard of it. Local centenarians remain active, independent, and full of vitality, and much of this effect is linked to this seemingly modest dish. What makes it special goes beyond the ingredients. Stay with me until the end and discover how it can strengthen your body, protect your mind, and even influence genes linked to longevity, something science has only recently begun to investigate. Did you know that in Okinawa, Japan, it's common to find people over 90 still strong and not dependent on medication? What's impressive is that this vitality doesn't come from privileged genetics or expensive treatments, but from something as simple as a soup the rest of the world hardly knows about. A recipe that seems ordinary, but is filled with choices that challenge common assumptions about aging. The elders say it's part of their daily routine, without magic formulas or exaggeration. And that's exactly what makes it so intriguing. This soup is not just tradition, it's present at the table every day in Okinawa, especially among the elderly. The preparation is simple: a light broth of kombu, seaweed, fresh tofu, shiitake or maitake mushrooms, carrot, white radish, daikon, and sometimes the island's purple sweet potato. Each ingredient plays a role. Tofu strengthens the bones, seaweed helps balance blood pressure, mushrooms boost immunity, and sweet potato improves circulation. The detail that few know is that this soup was designed to be light, easy to digest, and rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. In Okinawa, it replaces fatty processed foods. And if you're in the United States or another country, don't worry, you can replace kombu with vegetable broth, shiitake with portobello, daikon with regular radish, and purple sweet potato with any variety you can find. And there's also the ritual of preparation. This soup is not made in a rush. It follows the philosophy of nuchi gusui, which means food as medicine. The act of cooking slowly with care turns the meal into an act of self-care. This cultural detail gives the recipe a value that goes far beyond flavor. It all starts with a clear, nutritious broth. Okinawans use kombu, rich in minerals, soaked in water before heating. If you can't find it, a good vegetable broth does the job. This base already delivers a concentration of nutrients that supports the body. It's as if the secret to longevity is simmering at the bottom of the pot. With the vegetables slowly cooked, seasoning is minimal. A little light soy sauce or miso, never too much. In Okinawa, eating is not about getting full, but about feeling good. That's why the soup is served in small daily portions, as a ritual of balance. The most surprising part is the combined effect of these ingredients, creating a natural defense against disease and premature aging. And that's exactly what sparks scientific interest. This combination of seaweed, fresh tofu, mushrooms, and local vegetables isn't just about taste. It supports the heart, reduces inflammation, and strengthens bones and joints. Researchers have been studying these combinations for decades, and the results show consistent effects on longevity and quality of life. On top of that, the act of preparing and sharing the soup strengthens social bonds and mental health. It's nutrition and culture walking hand in hand. What really sets this soup apart from so many others isn't just the food itself, but the vision behind it. For Okinawans, eating is an act of prevention and respect for the body. This approach intrigues scientists and catches doctors' attention. In the next segment, you'll see how each ingredient works in synergy to create what many call the elixir of longevity. It's tradition meeting science in a simple dish. If you think this is just another traditional recipe, you'll be surprised. Each ingredient was chosen precisely for its direct impact on health. Tofu provides high-quality protein and protects the bones. Seaweed delivers rare minerals that regulate metabolism. Mushrooms boost the immune system and fight free radicals. And the vegetables grown in Okinawa's unique soil carry antioxidants that are hard to find elsewhere. Every spoonful brings a mix of science, flavor, and tradition. The most remarkable thing is how these ingredients work together. Their interaction creates a barrier against chronic disease and sustains vitality for decades. This collective effect makes doctors wonder why modern medicine still overlooks something so effective. In the next segment, you'll understand the cultural principle that turns this soup into a true symbol of longevity. In Okinawa, food is not just nutrition. There's the concept of nuchigusui, which literally means food is medicine. This vision goes beyond the physical body. It's prevention, balance, and lifelong health. Local centenarians don't eat out of habit, but with purpose, choosing what protects and strengthens every cell. It's a practice modern medicine rarely teaches, but one that reveals powerful secrets about healthy aging. This philosophy isn't limited to the soup. It's present in every meal and in the way elders relate to food. This turns every dish into an opportunity to care for body and mind. Some ingredients even appear to activate genes linked to longevity, such as FOXO3, called the longevity gene. Research suggests this helps preserve cellular function and maintain energy even at advanced ages. And this isn't theory. Decades of observation show Okinawan elders living independently and actively, something that continues to impress scientists. The most striking point is how this culture prioritizes prevention instead of waiting for disease to appear. While much of the world focuses on treatments and medications, Okinawans invest daily in simple choices that build up benefits for decades. This soup is a tool of protection for bones, organs, and joints. At the same time, the culture values togetherness and gratitude at meals, reinforcing mental and emotional well-being. Eating together is part of the pro-longevity lifestyle that researchers highlight. This union of nutrition, purpose, and socialization strengthens not only the body, but also the mind against stress and anxiety. What intrigues specialists most is that this ancient philosophy achieves results. Many modern treatments still can't. Healthy aging, preserved mobility, and disease prevention without expensive drugs. It's proof that we still have much to learn from this tradition. In the next segment, you'll see how it all connects in a clear and powerful conclusion. After exploring the secrets of Okinawa's soup, we realize longevity doesn't come from expensive tricks or complex therapies. Each ingredient, each ritual, and each choice come together to create an effect that even modern medicine can't fully replicate. It's not just about living longer, but living better, with energy, mobility, and mental clarity. The most inspiring part is that this wisdom is available to anyone. Preparing this soup at home doesn't require difficult techniques, just attention to ingredients and respect for tradition. Each serving is a step toward a more balanced, longer life. Incorporating these principles means nourishing the body while embracing a philosophy that prioritizes prevention and care. And the big question is, if something so accessible can transform decades of life, why do we still ignore practices like this? Try it, share it, and feel the effects for yourself. And if this video made sense to you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and keep exploring with us the longevity secrets that the modern world still insists on overlooking.